Cruise vacation mistakes to avoid. People over 50 should know. Most people think a cruise vacation is the easiest kind of travel. You unpack once, relax, and everything is taken care of for you. But the reality is a little different, because cruise ships are like floating cities, and even something as simple as your cabin choice can completely change your experience. Some cabins are peaceful and quiet, while others are right above engine rooms, where constant noise and vibration can make it hard to sleep. And most travelers only realize this after it's too late. In this video, you'll learn the most common cruise vacation mistakes to avoid so your next trip stays smooth, relaxing, and stress-free. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, booking without checking the full cost. One of the biggest mistakes is thinking the cruise price is the final price. It's not. The base fare often looks attractive, but many extra costs come later. Things like drinks, Wi-Fi, specialty restaurants, shore excursions, and even service fees are often not included. And suddenly, a cheap cruise becomes much more expensive than expected. Always check the total cost before booking, not just the starting price. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong cabin location. Many travelers focus only on price when choosing a cabin, but location on the ship matters far more than most people realize. Cabins near the engine room or lower decks can experience constant noise and vibration. Cabins at the very front of the ship can feel more movement from waves. And cabins far from elevators can be inconvenient, especially for older travelers. A slightly better location can completely change your comfort level on board. So how do you avoid the bad ones? A simple rule is to always check the ship's deck plan before booking. Look for cabin categories that are positioned mid-ship and on higher decks. They tend to be the most stable and quiet. And if possible, avoid rooms directly above entertainment venues, restaurants, or engine areas. Many cruise lines also label quiet zones or preferred cabin areas in their booking maps. A few minutes of checking this can save you from days of unnecessary noise and discomfort. Mistake number 3, not understanding sea days. Sea days sound relaxing, and they are, but many travelers underestimate how crowded the ship becomes on those days. Pools, buffets, and lounges can get very busy. If you don't plan ahead, you may end up waiting or struggling to find space. A simple strategy is to explore the ship early in the trip and find quieter areas. Mistake number 4, overpacking or underpacking. Many cruise travelers get this wrong in both directions. Some overpack and struggle with storage in small cabins. Others underpack and realize too late that cruise evenings are more formal than expected. A smart approach is simple. Pack comfortable daytime clothes and at least 1 or 2 slightly formal outfits for dinners. Mistake number 5, ignoring drink and dining packages. On many cruises, drinks are not included, and alcohol, soft drinks, and even bottled water can become expensive very quickly. Some travelers also miss dining packages that could save money. Before your trip, always check what is included and what is not, because onboard pricing adds up faster than expected. Mistake number 6, booking shore excursions too late. Many travelers wait until they are already on the ship to book excursions. But by then, the best options are often sold out or overpriced. Popular tours can fill up quickly. A better strategy is to plan key excursions in advance, especially in popular destinations. Mistake number 7, not checking health and mobility needs. Cruise ships are large. There is a lot of walking involved, from cabins to restaurants, theaters, and decks. Many travelers underestimate this. If mobility is a concern, it's important to choose a cabin carefully, and don't hesitate to use assistance services if needed. Cruises are designed to help travelers, but you need to ask for it. Mistake number 8, not reading the daily schedule. Every cruise ship runs on a daily program. Activities, shows, events, and announcements change every day. But many travelers ignore it and miss out on the best experiences. A simple habit helps. Check the daily schedule each morning. It can completely improve your onboard experience. Mistake number 9, excessive spending on board. Cruise ships are designed to encourage spending. Shops, casinos, spa treatments, and upgrades are everywhere. And because everything feels vacation-like, spending can add up quickly without noticing. A good strategy is to set a daily budget before you board. Mistake number 10, ignoring internet and phone costs. Many travelers assume they can use normal mobile data at sea, but that's not the case. At sea, roaming charges can be extremely expensive. Cruise Wi-Fi is often limited and paid separately. Always check communication options before departure to avoid surprise charges. Mistake number 11, arriving late to embarkation. Embarkation day is strict. If you arrive late, you risk stress, delays, or even missing parts of the boarding process. Ports can be busy and security checks take time. Always plan to arrive early, not just on time. Mistake number 12, not preparing for seasickness. Even if you've never experienced it before, sea movement can affect anyone, especially on rougher routes. Simple precautions like choosing a midship cabin or bringing basic medication can make a big difference. It's better to be prepared than uncomfortable for days. Mistake number 13, skipping travel insurance. Many travelers skip insurance because cruises feel safe, but medical care at sea can be very expensive, and unexpected events can happen. A proper travel insurance plan is essential for cruise travel. Mistake number 14, not understanding port times. Cruises run on strict schedules. If you miss the ship at a port stop, it will not wait. Many travelers underestimate how important timing is during shore visits. Always return early. Otherwise, you might end up in a very stressful situation if you miss the ship's departure. A cruise vacation can be one of the most relaxing ways to travel, but only if you understand how it really works. Most problems people experience on cruises are not bad luck. They come from small, avoidable mistakes. A little preparation before your trip can make everything smoother, cheaper, and far more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, there are more practical travel tips waiting for you on this channel. Because the better you prepare your journey, the better your entire cruise experience becomes. Safe travels.